We have a beverage distributor in High Point, North Carolina. It needs more flow rack space, so we provided them with 4 shelf levels of carton flow rack to distribute their beer and wine. And they also have pallet storage on the back side of the rack for overflow. This will help increase their picking capabilities. They installed this themselves. It's a very simple operation of dropping the flow lanes down into the steps of the rack beams with the hangers. Simple operation, yet very effective in helping pick cases of goods.